Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make macarons. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to get your tray. I'm using some templates so I can get the shape right, but you could also do this by eye. Put your greaseproof paper on top and set that aside. To make a start on the macarons, you'll want to get your egg whites and then add in some food colouring. I'm using red, but you could use any colour you like, and I do recommend using gel paste. And you just want to mix these together until the colour is incorporated. So the next stage is to work on your dry ingredients. All you need to do is put your icing sugar and ground almonds into a sieve and sift them through, and repeat this again so you've sifted them twice in total. So if there's anything left in the sieve, just discard it. You don't want to add this into the mixture. So into your ground almonds and icing sugar, you will then want to add in the egg whites that you coloured earlier on, and just mix these in using a spatula until it's all come together. So once you've got all that mixed in, you can set that aside until we add the meringue later on. To make the meringue part of the macaron, you will want to put your water and sugar into a saucepan, give it a quick little stir, and then put that on a medium heat until it reaches 118 degrees. So into your mixing bowl of choice, you will want to add in your egg whites, and you'll want to whisk these up until they have become foamy. Once they've become foamy, you will then want to add your sugar into additions, roughly about half at a time, beating well in between each addition. So once the sugar and water mixture has reached 118 degrees, you'll want to then steadily pour that into your mixer on a low speed and whisk it until it's become cool enough so you can touch your bowl. So as you can tell, once the sugar and water mixture has been added and it's started to whisk up, the meringue does become a lot smoother and glossier in looks and consistency. So once your meringues are done, they will be at stiff peaks. So now you'll want to add around a third of your meringue into your ground almonds and egg white mixture that you prepared earlier on. You will notice that the colour does change dramatically quite quickly. Don't worry, this is completely normal, and that's why you want to sometimes colour your batter dark early on. You'll want to repeat this stage with the rest of your meringue until it's all incorporated. You'll then want to fill a piping bag around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full. So to help the greaseproof paper stick down and not move, you'll want to just add a bit of the macaron mixture into each of the corners and press down. Feel free then to pipe out your macarons. I did opt for a template underneath as I'm not 100% confident in getting the shape perfect, but if you are, feel free to do it your way. So once your macarons are piped out, you will then want to tap them. This is just to remove any excess air, and it'll bring it to the surface and remove any air bubbles. So now that your macarons are piped out and you've tapped the trays, you can then leave these for around half an hour to 45 minutes, or longer or shorter depending on how long they take to dry out. This is just where you can touch the top of the macaron and it won't stick to your finger. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Once they are out of the oven, you will then want to take the greaseproof paper off the tray. This will stop the baking time. You will want to allow them to cool completely before you put your filling on. And I did record all of this, but it was severely out of focus that you couldn't really see what was going on. So once your macarons are completely cooled, you can then fill them. I'm using a white chocolate and vanilla buttercream, but you can use whatever you like. A ganache will work really well here as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload, as YouTube's messing about at the minute. So yeah, don't forget to check out my social medias, as I do post on Instagram stories with sneak peeks. So if you have any requests, leave them in the comments down below or message me on one of my social medias. I'll be back next week with another video, so join me then. That's all. Bye guys.